Good morning, everyone. Go ahead and find your comfortable seating position and just begin to unwind, to relax, to de-stress, just allowing your mind and your nervous system to wind down, to move towards a place of calm, stability, reassured, just allowing your mind to wind down and your nervous system to wind down and to move towards a place of security, calm, gentle, feeling safe, feeling protected. Just unwinding now with all of your focus, attention, and awareness in this current moment. Deeply sinking into your body. Deeply sinking into your body. Just sinking down into your body. Perhaps feeling a little bit heavier as you just bring all of your awareness and your focus and your intention on connecting to you and you, the part of you that knows what to do and the part of you that knows how to take action, is just realigning, recentering, and refocused to reestablish and build that relationship. Just refocusing, reestablishing that relationship. Strengthening and rebuilding the relationship between the part of you that knows what to do and the part of you that knows how to take action, so that your actions are more aligned with what actually needs to be done. So you'll be taking less action and getting more results. Taking a moment to see if there's anything in your emotional body or your mental body that needs to be realigned so that you're now living a path where you're taking less action and getting more results. So just relaxing the muscles in your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your shoulders and your neck. And just softening in to your heart area now. Just allowing the muscles in your chest, in between your shoulder blades, your diaphragm, and your stomach begin to relax and let go. You no longer need to hold on to any tension there. Tension and hypervigilance no longer serve you and will no longer get you to where you need to be. So just allowing the area in your chest and around your heart to begin to soften. There's nothing outside of you that you need to protect yourself from right now. You need to protect yourself from guarding your heart off and not feeling your emotions. And you do that by dropping the guard around your heart. So go ahead and watch it dismantle. Just feel the weight leaving your body. Perhaps you'll see the guard around your heart drop off. We're just allowing more of it now. Maybe it's unwinding, maybe it's untangling, maybe it's just loosening. Maybe there's big chunks just falling down. You no longer need to so guard your heart. Negative, bad emotions are simply telling you no, that doesn't feel good. So we no longer need to protect ourselves from feeling those because we want those signals. We're reestablishing the relationship between the part of us that knows and the part of us that knows how to take action. The part of us that knows is now getting a bigger voice, a bigger platform in your day-to-day living. And you do that by dropping the guard around your heart. And sometimes it could be beneficial to bring warm, soft colored lights to your heart. Perhaps a gentle yellow to add a bit of glow, hope, inspiration, a deep knowing that there are things to eagerly look forward to. So take a moment to wrap up any life lesson you're learning right now, any journey, any goal, any manifestation, and just recognize you've been holding on to it because you're just a little afraid of, once I accomplish this, what great thing will there be to look forward to after this? And since the joy is all in the journey, if I don't have a journey, where will my joy come from? So just soothing your heart right now. Perhaps adding a blue light around it. Perhaps adding a green light, just soothing your heart right now, letting it know that it's safe and okay, normal and natural to be reacquainting yourselves right now. Perhaps apologizing for not always listening to it. Thanking it for always being there. And letting it know that you now deeply trust the guidance it gives you. And that's the definition of confidence. This is my inner knowing, and I'm going to follow it. Not here's this thing I want to do, and I'm going to do it no matter what. Obliterating that from your mind as you deeply sink into that inner knowing within you. And just allowing your inner knowing to grow in its strength and its confidence and its voice within you. Turning up the volume to your inner knowing, your inner guidance, and making a vow to take action on the impulses from your inner guidance that much more. So just still focusing on your heart. And go ahead and just listen in to see if there's anything that it needs right now. Perhaps it will be we need hugs. We need to be held more. Screw self-reliance. We need hugs, affection, and warmth in our life. It might be as simple of a message as that, but it's trusting and knowing that when you have those hugs, that warmth, that affection, that will be the thing that will also give you the energy for the more practical, tangible, masculine things that you want to accomplish and do. So trusting your heart and its guidance to you, and just make a vow and a commitment to do that for the next week. So just a little more time of strengthening the relationship with your heart, your inner knowing, your inner guidance, with your vocal cords, with your ears, with your hands, with your stomach, your body, your hips, your knees, your ankles, your feet, your back. You and you are now connected and realigned. And yes, it can be that easy. Go ahead and bring your focus and your attention, your awareness back into the room that you're in. Just bringing your focus, attention, awareness back into the room that you're in. Gently opening your eyes when you feel ready, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated with a calm mind to make the most out of all of your goals. I love you all and have a good day. Bye.